Do you know what is this? It's an apron! Because today we are going to cook! Eu quero convidar os papais e as mamães hoje para fazer uma força-tarefa e ajudar as nossas crianças a fazerem uma big pancake, a big chocolate pancake. Let's go to the ingredients. Woo!
The things you are going to use is a bowl, 1 banana, a sweet banana, not so green, okay? Chocolate to do chocolate milk. Tapioca. It's a Brazilian food. Tapioca. Oat and a sieve. Now it's already smashed. You can put the chocolate. Ooh. The oat. Ooh. And you can sieve the tapioca like this. Good. And the last thing, our secret ingredient, an egg. Let's put the egg here. Let's break the egg here. And now you are going to shake very well to be everything mixed, okay? It's like this. Let's put this on the stove. Let's go. So that's it. All you need to spread. Now the pan. And put in a low fire. A low fire.
Look at this pancake. Smells so good. Let's try with me. My snack, my snack. It's delicious. Do you want a piece?